Hello and welcome back to another video in Finance Math. In this video we're going to be talking about financing a home. So this is going to be an example with an installment loan. And I have an example set up right now. Brian borrows $167,000 from a bank to finance the purchase of a house. The bank charges 5.25% per year compounded monthly, because it will be a monthly payment, for a 30-year loan. How much will Brian's monthly payment be? So we've already done this using a calculator, so let me bring that out. We can put in the loan amount, which is $167,000. It's for 30 years, which is 360 months, and the interest rate was 5.25. So calculating, we see that the monthly payment will be $922.18. Now, this calculator is doing all the work for me, but you know what? How can we do this by hand? I mean, someone had to program this, okay, which I did, but I had to use a formula. Okay, so let's talk about the loan installment formula. Okay, so let me write it down. It's going to look like this. P. It's actually going to look very similar if you watched any of the previous videos. All right, so if you've watched all those, you probably know what all of these letters represent. This will be our payment right here. We have the interest rate, which is there. T stands for years. The how long is the loan? P. This is now we've probably, if you've watched the annuity video, that this was the present value, and it's actually means the same thing again. It is the loan amount. Okay, so that's the loan amount, and I think we know everything else. So let's actually start plugging some stuff in here. We know the loan is 167. So P is $167,000. And then we have 1 plus the interest rate, which is 0.0525 divided by 12, raised to 12 times 30. I'm going to put that in parentheses just so you can see the difference between them. All right. Now the monthly payment, that's what I'm trying to find. So I'm going to leave that as M. And then we have 1 plus 0.0525 over 12, 12 times 30 minus 1, 12 over 0.0525. All right, so again, I'm looking for this right here. All right, so let's simplify this left-hand side. And I will get 803,967.235. Try to go out to as many decimals as the calculator allows. Now on the left-hand side, okay, we don't know M, but again, we can figure all of this stuff out. So plug all that into the calculator, and you get 871.811443. All right, so for solving for M, what we're going to do is divide both sides by this 871. So we get 803,967.235 divided by 871.811443. Plugging that into the calculator, and we will get $922.18, which is exactly what the calculator told me.